So, ladies and gentlemen, today my name is David Ho here. I'm from Navigator Digital Academy. I'm going to talk to you about what is cloud service provider. So, in today's digital economy, cloud service providers are taking a key role for businesses as they partner with organizations to improve their business agility through rapid provisioning of resources, whether it's computing power or even storage capabilities, without requiring any costly upfront investment. And it also, cloud service provider is also able to provide you with a viable alternative for companies struggling, especially during this recessionary period. And cloud service provider, in fact, by definition, is an aggregator and provider of an end-to-end cloud infrastructure, right? And services to enterprise like yourself and even for government institution. So cloud service provider aggregates industry platforms and offer tailor-made solution for key industry sectors such as banking, finance, manufacturing, telecommunication, retail, and even government. And the thing is that is very often is used, this term is used interchangeably with cloud computing and also cloud services. So a cloud-based system is actually a type of software, platforms, or even infrastructure that is able to make use of the internet to deliver a hosted range of services such as web-based email, which all of you are very familiar with, from remote server rather than a local device. So cloud service provider in the most recent notion in cloud computing that provides a large IT infrastructure with subscription-based services, or the other name for it is called SaaS, SaaS, right? And the thing is that they provide the subscription-based services to organizations and also government institutions. So really, what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to list down, the key benefits of using a cloud service provider. Okay. So you can see here, in terms of cloud service provider, it can actually, one of the key benefits, there are in fact 7 key benefits, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to list down the 5 key benefits here. So number 1, the thing is that cloud service provider can really offer you an integrated end-to-end cloud service from platforms through infrastructure to software. And so cloud service provider, when you engage them, is going to be your one-stop shop cloud solution provider. Okay, so that's the first key benefit. The second key benefit you're looking at is, cloud service provider is able to reduce your capital expenditure or CapEx, and also decreases the risk by increasing reliability through management of experience and expertise globally without geographical barriers. Especially it's very good for your e-commerce business, for example, right, where you can go for a global market and different time zones difference and even language barriers. And the things that that is the second key benefits that we have. It reduces your capital expenditure and decreases the risk, reduces the risk. And number 4, a cloud service provider also will manage your cloud services as a single entity, as well as on-demand capacity, allowing provision of resources as required. And when you hire a cloud service provider, that means that you don't have to worry. Okay, everybody say, don't have to worry.
Don't have to worry.
Don't have to worry. Don't have to worry.
Yeah, tanpa bimbang, right? Don't have to worry. You don't have to worry. That when you hire a cloud service provider like TM1, you don't have to worry about the infrastructure, right? About the infrastructure integration challenges, for example, right? Because cloud service provider offers cloud infrastructure as a service, or cloud infrastructure IaaS, right? Which is a cloud computing services model that provides you a virtualized computing resources over the internet. So you don't worry about trying to scale up with hardwares. And the things that, cloud service providers also helps company to reduce access time So that's lower downtime actually, right? So, and the cost of internet, it also reduces the cost of internet technologies, which while is able to increase the flexibility, the scalability, the performance, and also the security. And cloud infrastructure allows businesses to make use of IT infrastructure softwares, right? Network capabilities that is available on demand as when you need. So allows you to to rent. So cloud service provider allows you to rent all the latest computing power, the storage layer capacity, and also the network bandwidth over the internet. And the last two things that I want to share with you about the benefits, the key benefits of a cloud service provider, is that cloud service provider enables you as a company, as an organization, to rapidly scale up or even down by automatically adding or removing compute instances. Right, so cloud services does make use of highly scalable industry platforms like Amazon Web Services or AWS, or even Microsoft Azure, right, to reduce management complexity through automation, ease of API for connecting cloud services together into a complete solution, and also provides you the flexibility in deploying applications without having to worry about the underlying hardware or infrastructure. So cloud services often offer a pay-to-use, pay-per-use model, allowing business users to basically simply turn them when they need it, all right, of the underlying hardware resources without any capital expenditure upfront in buying the hardware. So in addition, in this approach, right, has found that it's more flexible in meeting your organization dynamic needs by allowing the cloud technologies to adapt and to be updated as a new service becomes available. And lastly, the cloud service provider has not only evolved into a smart digital platform, but that enables you as organizations to reduce costs, but more importantly, also increases the effectiveness of your business processes.